Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a little bit of fun this one. So back on the 17th of April 2020, I bought my first DJI drone, which was the DJI Mavic Mini. And basically at the time I was just starting out on YouTube and I'd done some car tutorials. Many of you have actually seen some of the cars, and that's generally been my interest for quite some time. But I wanted to get something a bit of a better drone than what I currently had. I had an old Potensic D85, which was not very good. We had this sort of fixed gimbal and it just really wasn't that great at all. It's so much so it was easier to just strap my GoPro to it and take a flight with that. But either way, that was my first experience on the DJI Mavic Mini. And quite frankly, it was absolutely shocking. My flying was so cagey, basically up, down, left, right. I barely had any confidence to fly it. And then on the flight, I experienced something which is most people's worst nightmare. So what I'm going to do is, at the time of recording this, that video only literally got 277 views. Obviously I was just starting out with my very first drone YouTube video. So yeah, what I want to do on this video is just a little bit of fun. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play that video now and you can just see how bad my flying actually was. So what I want you guys to do is at the end of the video, just literally let me know what your thoughts were on how bad my flying is. I don't mind, I can take the criticism. And it's crazy how you go from doing that to something like this and having the control, and it's all to do with practice. So yeah, what I want you guys also to do, if possible, I'm really interested to see some of your flying and videos. So please do post a link in the comment section below with your first YouTube video and your first flight. I'll just take a look and just, possibly comment on your video. So that's it for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with that video now, and yeah, see you again soon.